Welcome to another DC audio video. This one's going to be on our 5.0. This is a 5,000 watt amplifier. It will easily make over 5,000 watts on a 12 volt system, over 7,000 watts on an 18 volt system. Now this is the first amplifier in the line that incorporates dual inputs. And what I mean for dual inputs on the power input side is it actually has two powers and two grounds, all of them being zero gauge. With the amount of current that this amplifier will draw, it's really important that you have a stout electrical system and you use all of that because it needs it. The remote turn-on lead is found here towards the bottom in between this positive and negative lug. The speaker termination, there's two positives and two grounds, like all the other mono blocks that we offer, so it makes it easier to hook up multiple speakers to that. Over here on the other side, there is the RCA inputs here at the top. It is a low level input. There's no high level inputs on this amplifier. The next one down is the pass through, so you can daisy chain amplifiers, just run your RCAs right through it, back out if you need to run it into another amp. Underneath there you have your power light, protection light, and in the gain this amplifier will take anywhere from 0.2 to 6 volts of input. Then we have the subsonic, the bass boost, which is up to 9 dB, and the remote jack. The remote jack is for this guy right here. This guy plugs into it, you run it to the front of the car. Once you get that to the front of the car, you plug the bass control into it. The bass control is to control the amount of output that this amplifier creates or has. It has a knob on the front, so you can easily turn the amplifier's output up and down. It also has a power indicator, just to let you know that your amp's on, and a clipping indicator, just to keep your subwoofers happy. So that's that right there. Going back to the controls on the amplifier, it has a low pass filter and a phase control, and then also the strapping section, and this is so you can link your amplifiers. Like I said earlier, this amplifier will make 5,000 watts at 1 ohm all by itself on a 12 volt system. Or you have the capability of taking two of these amplifiers and linking them together. When you link two of these amps together, you want to link them together at 2 ohms. This will give you over 10,000 watts of power on a 12 volt system, or a little over 14,000 watts on an 18 volt system. The benefit to linking the amplifiers is one set of controls. When you have two amplifiers running your subwoofer setups, you have to put a DMM on the outputs, make sure that everything's the same. You have to match the setup section on both amplifiers so they're both producing the same amount of power. But when you link them, you set one for master, one for slave, and your master amplifier will control the slave amp. So the slave amps, you don't use any of the controls on, just use the master controls, and everything will be dialed in. This is one of our better selling competition amps. Seems to do really good. But anyways, yeah, this is the 5.0. For more information on this, just go to the website www.dcaudio.us. Click on the amplifier tab. There's more specs there to be had if this thing interests you. Want to pick one up? Click on the contacts page. Put in your information. Find a local dealer. Go in there and ask them for a 5.0. But anyways, that's this amp. Lots of power, and thanks for watching.